Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. In this video, we will look at the resemblance between Dobby and Gollum. Dobby, the royal house elf from Harry Potter, and Gollum, the tragic creature from The Lord of the Rings, are two iconic characters in modern fantasy literature. Despite originating from different worlds, these characters share numerous similarities in their appearances, personalities, and narrative roles. Below, we will explore the intriguing parallel between these two memorable characters. Small stature. Both characters are physically small, often overlooked or underestimated by other characters due to their size. Unique speech patterns. Dobby speaks in the third person and with a childlike tone, while Gollum switches between first and third person, reflecting his dual personality. Both have distinct memorable ways of speaking. Large, expressive eyes. Dobby and Gollum are characterized by their oversized, expressive eyes, which convey their emotions and add to their otherworldly appearances. Servitude and subjugation. Dobby begins as a servant to the Malfoy family, while Gollum is enslaved by his obsession with the One Ring, symbolizing their lack of autonomy. Moral ambiguity. Both characters exhibit conflicting moral traits. Dobby sometimes breaks rules to help, while Gollum shifts between moments of loyalty and betrayal. Connection to powerful objects. Dobby's life revolves around the magical rule of house elves, including the power of master's ownership, while Gollum is consumed by its influence of the One Ring. Physical fragility. Both are depicted as physically weak and frail, often relying on cunning or external forces rather than brute strength. Underdog roles. Dobby and Gollum are both underestimated yet play pivotal roles in their respective stories, influence major outcomes despite their apparent insignificance. Sacrificial acts. Dobby sacrifices himself to save Harry and his friends, while Gollum's fall into the Mount Doom inadvertently leads to the destruction of One Ring, sealing Sauron's fate. Outsider status. Both are outcast in their societies. Dobby is ostracized for seeking freedom, while Gollum's deformity and obsession isolate him from others. While Dobby represents loyalty and redemption, Gollum embodies corruption and tragedy. Despite these differences, their shared traits highlights the complexity of their characters, reminding us of the transformative power of love, loyalty, and the struggle for freedom in fantasy literature. These parallels make both Dobby and Gollum unforgettable icons in their respective universes. I hope you will like this video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. I will meet you in the next video with some interesting topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.